Hello everybody and welcome back. We're now on the tutorial on how to install Zoom on the Nintendo Wii. Okay, this channel is gonna be an American Zoom channel, not the European. Because basically European channels or Korean channels, etc. cannot work on my Nintendo Wii. Because my Wii is American. So I will use the American Zoom channel, the American one. Okay, and I think that every time if I make other videos and I may say this is gonna be funny. I'm gonna say bonjour, how bonjour, welcome to this channel, to this channel tutorials program. Yeah, saying in French. Yeah, yeah. So I will go to is to Chrome. Let's get started, and we'll do is paste. Here's this link. Okay, then we'll download this. And now we'll put this WAD file, Zoom V2 USA is the American one. Okay, I need to get the SD card. Right? I got the SD card. Insert it. Okay. Now we're gonna move this WAD file to the SD card. There you go. It's moved to my SD card. Here it is, the American one. Okay, look. If I say, look, for example, like if I remember I tried the Google Meet and it was European, that channel, and it didn't work on my Nintendo Wii. So you know what I say? It's the best to use preloader to change to region free, to Wii channels region free. Yeah, that's what I say. To avoid, you know what I say? I say that you use region free on preloader to avoid bullshit that says that says this channel can be used. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Yeah, that's what I say. I'm sorry from the language. Yeah, sorry for the language that I use. Yeah, it's frustrating, by the way. Yeah, that's what I. Yeah. Please, please, Nintendo Wii. This time, when I use Zoom, please, no, no shit. Yeah. Sorry for the also for the language I use. Yeah, sorry for the bad the language. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to the Nintendo Wii console. Bonjour, we're back in the Nintendo Wii. I'm just joking. Well, welcome back. We're now on a Nintendo Wii console to install the Zoom channel. To install the Zoom channel. We're back. And now we'll Wiimote Lite. Apply patches, please wait. What manager? WSD slot. Okay, not the bad word. The other one, the SLUT. No, not that. I don't mean that. The the bad word, the bad language. I mean the slot. SLOOT. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Come on. Out there. Alright. We'll go here. Alright. We're now back at the Nintendo Wii menu, the system menu. And here's Zoom on the Nintendo Wii console. It's it's with a ringtone from those old phones from the 80s or 70s. You know, the old phones that sound like this. Well, Zoom are for meetings. This Zoom, you use it for meetings, like for professional meetings, basically, mostly. So let's start and see if it works. And basically, you have to enter the meeting ID, the code for the meeting, to start the meeting. You'll have to enter that. Oh, I'm in the internet channel. Is it working or not? Oh. Oh no. Oh, is this working? One of the Google.com, one of the certificates presented by the server has expired. Do you wish to accept the certificate? Yes. I want it to work. I want it to work. Oh. In this together, keeping you connected whenever you are. Maybe I think it's loading. Sign up. Let's try it again. Or it's like from that time, the song from Pink Floyd sounds like. Can you imagine a channel with the song Time from Pink Floyd? Well, that's how it works. Let's get out of here. Here it is. Okay. Bye, everyone.